Hello, welcome. A quick one on this. This question has been posted on the timeline on Facebook. We have to find the integral of 3 plus x divided by the root of what? X dx. So let's begin with that. So the integral 3 plus x, the root of x, then dx. So we can see that the numerator is a binomial divided by a single term. So we can divide each of the term still under the integral, as in 3 divided by the root of x plus x divided by what? The root of x. Still having the dx. We are still integrating with respect to what? X. What do we do next? We can see that the root of x can be written as an indices, a power of half. So I have the integral of, let's say, 3 times 1 over x exponent half plus x times x exponent. Okay, let me still have it as 1 over x exponent half. Okay, then in the case of this, 1 over a term with an exponent give you negative exponent. A term over exponent give you negative. So I'll be having, let's take it here, the integral of 3 times x exponent negative half, saying this become negative, plus this is going to be x times, so I have x times x exponent negative half. So in the case of the two bases are multiplied, so we add their powers, meaning 1 as a power here plus negative what? Half. That is 1 minus half, and I will give you half. So here I'll be having integral of 3 exponent minus half plus 3x exponent what? Half. Remember, it will be half from there. 1 minus half will be half. So now we can perform the integration whereby we add 1 to the power, divide by the result. So I'll be having 3x negative half plus 1 divided by negative half plus 1. Then x half plus 1, half plus 1 plus the constant of integration. So here it is also 1 minus half. This is going to be 1 over 2 plus 2 over 2. We know 2 over 2 is 1. So that will give us 3 over 2 in this denominator. And denominator, the 2 here will go up and the 3 will come down if you reciprocate it, since it's dividing. It means here I'll be having, okay, let me maintain 3x. Whatever happened here happened at the top there. Half divided by half. Then we are going to have x exponent 3 over 2 plus c. So what I said earlier on, this is going up to multiply, the 1 is coming down. So that gives us 6 exponent of half, plus, this 2 times this. Then 2 is coming forward, divided by 3, x exponent of what? Half raised to the power 3. That is the same as that. So we can go back and say the root we pick to become a power of half. We are having it here. We can bring it back as a root, as in 6 root of x plus 2 divided by 3, the root of what? X raised to the power 3. This is going to power 3, or with all the brackets power 3. So this is going to be the final integration of that. I'm sure you follow through. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section for us to get interactive. Bye-bye.